Hi, I'm Kristen Miglore from Food52. I am here in the beautiful, bustling kitchens at Cook's of Crocus Hill, and I wanted to show you a couple recipes from the new cookbook that we just came out with at Food52 called Genius Desserts. This one is a chocolate chip cookie. It's called Secretly Vegan Chocolate Chip Cookies from Ovenly, which is a really great bakery in Brooklyn. And basically they just wanted to come up with a better vegan chocolate chip cookie that didn't require a bunch of substitutes for the butter and the eggs, that made it more and more of a far cry from a chocolate chip cookie that you're really looking for. So they took out the eggs, they took out the butter, and they replaced them with oil and water, which basically scientifically are the same things. And now this is the part where you would normally see eggs and butter, but we've got some neutral oil like vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever, and some water to make up for the fact that you're losing some of the richness from the delicious eggs and butter that you would normally have. They have a trick, which is to hydrate the dough for about 12 hours. And the dough becomes richer, it has a better texture, it's crispier, it's chewier. Cover this tightly, put it in the fridge for about 12 hours. Maybe sneaking a taste, maybe baking off a couple for your snack. So this is the dough that's rested in the fridge for about 12 hours. And it's really amazing, since this book has come out, these seem to be the recipe that people are gravitating to first, because it's so fast to do. Everyone wants chocolate chip cookies, whether they're vegan or not. That has proven out time and again. All right, so I think I'll just stick with 6 just because these will spread. We would do a whole other sheet of the rest of these. And if any bits fall off, just kind of squeeze them back on. They're gonna all melt together beautifully in the oven. And then a key component of these cookies is the salt on top, of course. A little bit of flaky salt. This one is, I believe, Malden flaky salt, but any kind of coarse finishing salt that you put on top. Okay, so these will just bake off like any other chocolate chip cookie at about 350 for 12 to 13 minutes, and then you'll have these. And everyone, vegan or not, will be very happy.